So in this video, we are going to discuss about website organization, that is navigation. Okay, so navigation is all about how the user is moving around the website, how they're accessing different web pages in the given site. So it should be easy enough for them to find the information in different pages of the website. So this information rely on how the web pages are organized inside the website. So there are three types of website organization: hierarchical, linear, and random. Okay, so let's see one by one. So in hierarchical organization is most commonly used organization. Mostly 90% of the websites they'll be using the hierarchical kind of organization. So you can see, look at the how it could be like from starting from the home page to different pages. Each pages like will be belong to, it will be splitted like a tree. So this kind of organization is called hierarchical organizations. When we select the hierarchical organization, we have to be very careful on two aspects. That is, it should not be flat architecture and it should not be the deep site architecture. So what is flat architecture? Kind of, it should not be too shallow like this. Okay, so the home page, and then it has different some 8 to 10 pages in the home page, and then each page will have its own. So this kind of design, it has too many immediate choices. It will be confusing and it will kind of hard to remember the web pages. Okay, so it is really hard for the user to remember the web pages and the architecture, the hierarchical architecture, so that it is hard to navigate. So we have to avoid too shallow architecture. And the second thing, we also have to avoid too deep architectures, very deep. For example, you can look at this picture. If you want to reach out to this page, you have to first start from the home page and then this link and then this page, and then from this page there is another page inside this page. From this page you have to move to this page, and then from this page you have to move to this page, and similarly you have to move around all the pages to reach this page. So you can see how many clicks that you have to use. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So from this page to home page to this, to reach out to this page, you have to use 8 clicks. So which is too deep, and it is also, it's very confusing. Okay, so for the user to remember the organization, so we have to always use 3-click rule. So 3-click rule is the rule that you have to let your audience to user to reach out to any page in maximum 3 clicks. Okay, so that is called 3-click rule. So when you decide hierarchical architecture, you should be very careful that it should not be too shallow and it should not be too deep. And the next type of organization is called linear. So that means a series of pages. From once you complete this, then it will let you to access this link. From this link you will find the link for the next link. Okay, next page. Okay, this kind of organization is called linear organization. So it provides sequential viewing. So you can think about what website will follow this kind of linear navigation. So you can see the tutorial kind of website will have this kind of organization, because after completing the section 1, then you will move on to section 2 and then section 3, like that, right? So that provides that will need this linear organization. And also you can look at the Netflix, those kind of movie websites where after episode 1, then it will move on to episode 2, episode 3, those kind of things. Okay, so these websites needs linear organization. So third type is called random organization. Okay, so there is no clear path through the site. So the hierarchical and linear, that provides the clear idea how to access the pages, how it is organized. But with the random organization, you will not find, you have to go and explore. It is really hard to figure out how the pages are organized. Okay, so mostly it is very less used organization. So particularly the commercial websites will never follow this kind of organization. It could be for artistic reason, or artistic kind of websites may follow this kind of organization, but it is really confusing and less used organization. So next I will speak about the design principles. Okay, see you in the next video.